हेलो दोस्तों, मैं सौरभ सारस्वत आपका यूनिटी क्लासेस में स्वागत करता हूं। एंड जैसा कि हमने एक्सरसाइज 5.2 मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस कवर कर लिए हैं, सारे सेम एक जैसे क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो उनको अगेन एंड अगेन मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस कराऊंगा। इट इज़ नॉट good for you. Some of the question you can solve by own. So today we will discuss exercise 5.3 introductory part, and some of the question we discuss in this session. Okay, so first of all, I explain to you today a new concept, which is sum of nth term of an AP. It means suppose that we have given an AP, just like A1, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, A plus n minus k 1 into D. And as per these are the term A1, that is A2, that is A3, that is A4, and that is An. Now इससे पहले हम nth टर्म फाइंड कर रहे थे और किसी गिवन एपी में किसी भी डेफिनेट टर्म्स को भी फाइंड कर रहे थे मिडिल से। तो यहां हम क्या फाइंड कर रहे हैं कि सम ऑफ nth टर्म ऑफ एन एपी। a इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, a प्लस डी इज द सेकेंड टर्म, a प्लस 2d इज द थर्ड टर्म, a प्लस 3d इज द फोर्थ टर्म और a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी इज द nth टर्म। तो हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट द सम? So we having a specific formula for it to finding it. So that formula, that common difference when common difference D and first number A, then the sum of nth term of an AP, that is a formula Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus k n minus k 1 into d. Okay, and some of the time we write down it like that, Sn equal to n by 2, that 2a can be write down a plus k n minus k 1 into d, and you all of you know that it is the formula of nth term of an AP, so we can rewrite it Sn equal to n by 2 a plus k an. Here an is the nth term of given AP. Okay, in most of the books we also write down that formula, that Sn equal to n by 2 a plus k l. Here l is the last term. Here l is the last term of given AP. Okay, so we having this formula and this one and also this one. Okay, as per the timing, as per the given condition, okay, we apply that formula for finding the sum of the nth term of any given AP. Okay, and suppose that we can take an example. Wait for a minute. Suppose we write down that 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on up to n, and you all of you know these all are the natural number, and we want to find out the sum of n natural number. We can write down the sum of the sum of n natural number. Okay, so first of all we write down the first term of the given AP, that is a equal to क्या होगा बेटा हमारा 1, and the common difference d equal to क्या होगा बेटा a2 minus के a1, that is a1 and that is a2. So what we are getting, that 2 minus k1, that is 1. It means we get d is also a 1. Now we write down now the sum of nth term of NAP, that is Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus k n minus k 1 into d. Okay, so further that value of n we don't know, it will be the n, and to in place of a we can put 1 plus n minus 1, we don't know the value of n but we know the value of d, that is 1. Further we solve it, that is n by 2 2 plus k n minus k 1. Okay, if we can solve it further, so we are getting that n by 2 as it is, and it is positive 2 and it is negative 1, so we can get n plus k 1. So Sn equal to n by 2 n plus 1. So that is the sum of n natural नंबर. ठीक है, ये एमसीक्यू टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में आ सकता है. इसमें डायरेक्टली आपसे पूछ लेगा कि व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ एन नेचुरल नंबर. ठीक है, तो आप डायरेक्टली भी लर्न कर सकते हैं बेटा और समझ भी सकते हैं और फाइंड कर सकते हैं इस तरीके से. ये क्या होता है, एस एन इक्वल टू एन बाई 2 ब्रैकेट में n प्लस 1. ओके, एंड नाउ आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू some question from the NCERT book. That exercise is 5.3 and some of the different questions we will discuss. We will not solve so many questions. Okay, 5.3 and from question number 1. Okay, so what is the question number 1? First of all, I am reading for you and you also just check out from the NCERT book. Find the sum of the following APs. If you observe all of you, then we have given some APs. Okay, that question having the four parts. Okay, so we having a AP, we have to find out the sum of these APs. Okay, so we just write down that 0.6 comma 1.7 2.8 and so on up to 100 terms. So first of all, I explain to you what he is saying, that as we have given the AP, which first term is 0.6, second term 1.7 and third term 2.8. If we write down these terms up to 100, okay, as first term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth, up to 100 term, then we have to find out the sum of these 100 terms. It means we can understand we have given the value of n. We have given the value of n. So we write down first term of NAP, that is a equal to beta 0.6 and the common difference, that is d, equal to, that is beta a1 and a2 and a3. So you all of you know common difference. We find out a2 minus k, a1, that is 1.7 minus 0.6. What we are getting, 1.1, that is d. We get that d, and n equal to 100. We all have given that part. Okay, so we write down the sum of nth term of an AP, that is Sn equal to n by 2a plus kn minus k1 into d. As you observe here, we have given the value of n is 100, so we are putting here, and the value of a is 0.6 plus n 100 minus k1, and d is 1.1. Okay, so further it is cancelled out by 50 times. So we are getting that 50, and it will be 1.2 plus k 99 into 1.1. Okay, so it will be 50, and then 1.1 plus k 11 9 99 9 11 9 99 and 9 108. After one digit we can apply the decimal, so further it will be 50, and when we add these two it will be 9 and 2 11, that is 1, 8 and 1 9 and 1 0 1 and 1. After one digit we can apply the decimal, so we have to find out that as 100, that will be 50 into that value is 110.1. So what we can write down as 100 equal to, we just multiply by 5, that will be 0 and 5 and 5 and one more, that 0, and after one digit we are applying decimal. So as 100 5505. Okay, so that is the sum of 100th term of an AP. So we can write down the sum of 100th term of an AP is 5505. You have to solve each and every part of that first question by same process. Okay, in all the part we have given the value of n as in this question is saying that 100th term. So in other questions it is given also that the value of n at what term, up to what term we can find out the value of, okay, up to the what value we can find out the sum. Okay, next question. Next, second question. Your second question is find the sum of the following APs given below. It means we have given some APs and we have to find out all these. So let's see how we can solve. Okay, so question number 2, and which part I explained to you, that first part I will explain to you, that is with a 7 plus k 10 whole 1 upon 2 plus k 14 and plus so on plus 84. Okay, find the sum of the following AP given below. We have to find out the sum of all these. Okay, so as you observe, all of you, actually it is given in some form. So that is not a progression, that is the series. That series in AP. Okay, whose common difference is same. So after observing that given part, we observe that what is 84? 84 is the last term of that series. 84 is the last term of that series, or we can say AP. So by observing it, we get that is the A1, that is A2, and that is A3. So sir, first of all, the first term of an AP, that is A equal to 7, common difference D equal to sir A2 minus A1. So A2 is 10 whole 1 upon 2 minus 7. Okay, so we can write down the denominator here 1. So 10 to 20, 20 and 1, 21 upon 2 minus 7 upon 1. Okay, after taking the LCM, what we can write down? 21 minus k 14, that will be 7 upon 2, or we can write down 3.5. So we can get the value of D equal to 3.5, and AN last term, or we can say that L, इसको हम और क्या बोल सकते हैं बेटा? AN or L, that we have given 84. So we write down sum of nth term of an AP. That formula is, sir, Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus k n minus k 1 into D. Now I observe that, sir, we having a A, we having a D, but sir, we also having that part 84, that is the AN. So sir, why we are applying this formula? Why we are applying this formula? In place of this formula, sir, can we apply that formula? We also having that Sn equal to n by 2 a plus kn. Yes, sir, we can apply it, but we don't have n. So who will provide n? We just think about by which formula we can find out the value of n. Yes, we having the nth term. We know that the nth term of an AP, that is be denoted by an, that is a plus k n minus k 1 into D. Sir, an is already given 84, a already given 7, plus n we don't have, and the value of D is also 3.5. 3.5, or we can say 7 upon 2. Okay, so it will be 84. We can subtract 7, so it will be n minus 1 into 7 upon 2. So when we subtract that 7, what we are getting? That 77. Okay, and which is equal to 7 into n minus k 1 upon 2. You can observe there is no value is adding on, they all are in multiplication. So 7 1 is 7, and that will be cancelled out by 11. So 11 equal to n minus k 1 upon 2. We are cross multiplying, so it will be n minus k 1 equal to 22 and n equal to 23. Okay, if you observe, we are getting the value of n. Now sir, we are free to applying the value. So Sn equal to n is the 23 upon 2. The value of a is 7 plus 84. 84, because an is 84. Then further, Sn equal to 23 upon 2. Then 84 and 7, then 7 and 4, that 11. So it will be your 91. It will be your 91. So you can multiply these two value, and then let's see that multiplication. 23. 3 multiply 1, 3. And 3 multiply 9, 27. And 2 multiply 2, that's 7 and 29. 29, 9, we can write down 2. Okay. So 9 2 is 18 and 2, 20. So it will be 2093 upon 2. We are dividing it, and then we get the answer in decimal. Okay. So I think so there is no problem to all of you. Just take out the screenshot so we can discuss the next question. Okay. Yes. I just explain you one more thing. In this second question, if you all of you observe as I am solving that one part of question number second, in this question we having a AP and we have given a last term. So we have A, so we have D, and we having an, but we don't have n. So before finding the sum, you have to find out the value of n by applying the nth term of an AP, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. By applying it, you can find out the value of n. Then you can put it in the formula, the sum of nth term of an AP. Okay. So next question we will discuss. So most of the questions you can solve by own. Okay. And let's see the third question. Question number third. Important question. It will be a 1 marks and 2 marks question most of the time asking in examination. So in an AP you having a AP, and as whatever we have given, that write down, given a equal to, that is 5, d equal to 3 and an equal to 50, and we have to find out the value of n and Sn. Very good, no problem. Let's see beta. If you observe that we having a we having a d, we having a an, and how we can find out the value of n? I already explained to you that the nth term of an AP, you all of you know, an equal to a plus k n minus k1 into d. By observing this formula, we are getting that we having the value of a, we having the value of an, we having the value of d. Out of 4 unknown values, we having a 3 known values. So we can put the value of an, we can put here 50 equal to the value of a is 5 plus k n minus k1, we don't know the n, into 3. So further it will be 5 plus k 3n minus k3. So further it will be 2 plus k 3n, that will be equal to 50. So 50 minus k2 equal to 3n, we are getting 48 equal to 3n. So n equal to 16. Okay. So we getting the value of n. Now we can find out the Sn by formula. The sum of nth term of an AP is an, n by 2, a plus kn. Why am I applying this formula? We just observe we having a an. So we can apply this formula. So what is the value of n? That is the 16 upon 2. The value of a is 5 plus k, the value of an is 50. Okay, so it is cancelled out by 8 times. So 8 into 55. You just multiply 8 multiply 5, that is 40, and 8 multiply 5, 40. So it will be 440. That Sn, or we can write down it as 16, because this AP, which first term is a and the common difference is d, and the last term is 50. How many terms? 8, 16, and this sum is 450. This is your answer. And I will explain you one more part of that question. So take out the screenshot. So we will discuss that question. Now we will discuss that 8th part. All questions we will not discuss. Okay. So you can solve by own. That given an equal to an we have given beta 4 and d we have given 2, Sn we have given minus k 14, and then he's saying that find the value of a and n. So if you observe how we can solve it, so we have given an equal to 4. In an place we can write down a plus k n minus k 1 into d, that is 4, and we put a plus k n minus k 1, the value of d is 2, it will be 4. So a plus k 2n minus k 2 equal to 4. So a plus k 2n equal to 6. Okay. So a equal to हो जाएगा 6 minus k 2n. We get the value of a in term of n. Okay. Now we have given that Sn equal to minus k 14 in place of Sn n by 2, a plus k an equal to minus k 14, n by 2 as it is. In place of a we can put 6 minus k 2n दैट इज इक्वेशन 1 ले लेते बेटा, और प्लस के an वी हैव गिवन दैट इज द 4 के इक्वल टू माइनस के 14. ओके, फर्दर n by 2 it will be 6 and 4 10 माइनस के 2n ब्रैकेट क्लोज इक्वल टू माइनस के 14 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, तो इट विल बी n 10 माइनस के 2n ब्रैकेट क्लोज इक्वल टू माइनस के 28. n से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे बेटा तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 10n माइनस के 2n स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस के 28. ये ओवरऑल वैल्यू साइड में लाएंगे तो बेटा पॉजिटिव वैल्यू नेगेटिव हो जाएगी, नेगेटिव वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी, तो 2n स्क्वायर माइनस के 10n minus के 28 equal to 0. If you all are observing, they all term is cancel out by 2, so it will be n square minus के 5n minus के 14 equal to 0. By splitting out the middle term, we have to factorize 14. After subtracting, we get 5. So 7 multiply to 7 to the 14, and after subtracting, we get that 5. So n square minus के n bracket 7 minus के 2 माइनस के 14 इक्वल टू 0. फर्दर हो जाएगा बेटा n स्क्वायर माइनस के 7n प्लस के 2n माइनस के 14 इक्वल टू 0. तो फर्दर व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन टेक कॉमन n, so it will be n minus के 7, from that we can get 2, so it will be n minus के 7 equal to 0. So n minus के 7 and n plus के 2 equal to 0. We can comparison with that 0. So the value of n is 7 here, and n plus k 2 equal to 0. So n equal to minus k 2. So we can reject. Why we are rejecting? Because the number of term will never be negative. So we get the value of n is 7. So from equation 1, what is your equation 1? A equal to 6 minus k 2n. So a equal to 6 minus k 2 into 7. So a equal to 6 minus k 14. So a equal to minus k 8. The value of a is this, and the value of n is this, 7. I think so you all of you clear all these question, and in this question, third question, all parts you have to just think about which formula we can apply, so we can get the we can find out the what they want in question. Okay, so I hope you all of you understand whatever I am explaining to you. So समझते रहिए, और ये वीडियोज का सिलसिला होता रहेगा, ठीक है, और आप इसे शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए जितना भी है, और चीज़ें समझ में आ रही हैं तो अच्छा है, और कहीं भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है बेटा तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में राइट डाउन करिए. आई विल बी इम्प्रूव ऑल दीज पार्ट्स. ओके, तो थैंक यू, हैव ए गुड डे, स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम.